Want to turn one fruit tree into dozens for free? Today I'm revealing the ancient propagation secret that nursery owners don't want you to know. Air layering. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be able to clone mango, citrus, and lychee trees with just $5 worth of supplies. Spring is the perfect time to multiply your favorite trees without needing seeds or cuttings. With air layering, you can grow strong, healthy clones straight from your existing trees. It's simple, low cost, and incredibly effective, especially for fruit trees like mango, guava, citrus, and more. In just a few weeks, you can transform a single branch into a brand new tree, rooted and ready to thrive. No greenhouse? No problem. This method works right in your backyard. Why air layering works best in spring, active growth season, just faster root development. Higher humidity helps roots form quickly. Stronger parent tree recovers better. What you'll need: sharp knife or pruning blade, sphagnum moss/cocopeat, pre-soaked, rooting hormone, optional but recommended, plastic wrap and aluminum foil, twine or tape. Best trees for air layering: mango, citrus, lemon orange. Figure guava, lychee, and more. See roots in 4 to 6 weeks. Perfect for gardeners, homesteaders, and plant lovers who want free new trees. Pro tip: check moisture weekly and keep the moss damp for best results. Thank you for watching.